Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So there we have the problem on our screen. Find the derivative of the following function with respect to the corresponding independent variable. The function that we have is sin x by 1 plus cos x, right? So this looks like we have a function f of x of the type u by v, and my u is sine of x, my v is 1 plus cos x, right? Let us write down what we have, right? So there we have our individual expressions written. My f of x sine x by 1 plus cos x. And then I have my u as sine x. If I may call my u of x as sine x and my v of x as 1 plus cos x, then my f of x is of the type u by v, right? And therefore we apply the quotient rule in differentiation, right? And I'm going to move to the next line. My f dashed is vu dashed minus uv dashed divided by v square, right? And my v is 1 plus cos x. So let's do a substitution of that particular expression. So I'm going to write the denominator now. It's nothing but 1 plus cos x whole square, right? And then I have my vu dashed minus uv dashed in the numerator, right? And this is where I wanted all of you folks to pay a little bit of attention. My v is 1 plus cos x, so I'm going to write it as it is, right? And my u dashed is d by dx of sine x, which is cos x, right? So there I have my bu dashed, and what is my uv dashed? My u is sine x, and my v dashed is d by dx of 1 plus cos x, right? Looks like my v itself is a sum of two functions, right? And if I can apply the sum rule of differentiation to arrive at v dashed, what do I get? Uh, so my v is equal to 1 plus cos x. So my v dashed is d by dx of 1, which is 0, and plus a d by dx of cos x, which is minus sine x, right? So what is my v dashed? It is d by dx of 1 plus cos x, which is d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of cos x. So my d by dx of 1 is 0, my d by dx of cos x is minus sine x, right? So there I have an expression, and it looks like it's very much simplifiable further, right? So my first part of the numerator is cos x plus cos square x. So I'm going to write that out. Cos x plus cos x into cos x makes it cos square x. And then I have my minus sine x into minus sine x that makes it a plus sine square x, right? So let's write that as well. And then I have my denominator unchanged. Now this cos square plus sine square looks very much familiar to us, right? Now this comes from trigonometry, and we know that cos square plus sine square of the same x is always 1, right? So then my numerator becomes 1 plus cos x, right? Why is that? Because my cos square plus sine square equals 1, right? So I can write my numerator as 1 plus cos x. And then I have my denominator, which is again a 1 plus cos x the whole square, right? So now looks like I can cancel out my 1 plus cos x, one of them in the denominator, right? So what is my final answer? I can cancel out my 1 plus cos x in the numerator with the 1 plus cos x the whole square in the denominator, and my final answer to this particular problem is 1 divided by 1 plus cos x, right? So that's how we go about solving these problems. So there we have the final answer in front of us. I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.